Okay, today we're going to start populating it with maybe 20 pieces of text, and we'll have the backgrounds and the characters change. It's not going to be tied to just a change of the text, so a single character can have multiple lines of dialogue within a single scene here. So there might be, this one character might be speaking 3 times, 4 times, 5 or 6, and then we can mix around the characters and the pieces of dialogue in our visual novel. We don't need to match up the number of pieces of text here with the number of graphics, right? So we could build more here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and maybe we'll make 20 of them. $17, 18, 18, 19, and we'll get 20 in here, but we only have 10 graphics. So in main.dart, in this loop here, just keep it to 10, and so our background will still load. And then we're updating the background right here, but you can set up a case or a switch statement. So she's keeping the same background for now 2 scenes. And we'll probably keep it until scene 5. So that's where we're changing it. Okay, 5. 4, 5. Okay, what I can do is just change it. Character sprite. Sprite component. Character sprite equals Galatrix sprite, and we can add the character sprite in. So we don't need this in that case. I'll comment this out. And I'm going to grab it. Just update. I'm going to drop it in the dialog. Oops. Maybe I should have just taken the guts of it. All right. Okay, we're changing it on 5, 6, and 7. Character sprite equals Orinda sprite. And then in case 7, Nakoa. Character sprite equals Nakoa sprite. And game ref dot background dot sprite. Game ref dot grounds 2. And something's wrong. I think I just have an extra curly bracket. Let's delete this. Oh, maybe not. Okay, it's not changing. How about this? Character sprite component. Character component. And we'll just have all these be sprites. Wait, sprite. Okay. 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 Character sprite. Component dot sprite. Character sprite. Component dot sprite. Okay, now it's changing exactly what we want. So we have 20 pieces of text. Oh, just do a few more to kind of mix it up here. Galatrix sprite. 3. $11, and we'll go back to Orinda. Maybe Orinda's talking to Galatrix. Jeez. $13, maybe 14, and maybe it's back to Nicole. Okay, so it looks. So we've got Galatrix. She's telling her tale here. And her sister Arenda, who's succumbed to some power. That's the guy, love interest, back to Galatrix, the hero of the story. And then we've got Arenda and back to Nicole. Okay. In the future, most importantly, we're going to extend our storyline here a bit and experiment with different types of special effects, which are going to be sprite animation components to get through our story. You can also change the speed of this type of typewriter text when it comes on the screen. Be a lot of fun, so subscribe to the channel and get ready for some future updates as we expand our story of Galatrix.